this is going to be cut into a V to fit down in there, and then we'll TIG weld it together. I'm going to cut a V in here to match the V that I put in the other part. Okay, so now I'm going to weld this wrench to the extension, and I'm going to use my Lincoln Precision TIG welder. I've got a clean tungsten. I'm using, I believe this is a 16th filler wire, and the argon's on and flowing. I can hear the flow. So you need to make sure you have that. Got my safety equipment on. So I'm going to go ahead and tack here, and then I'll flip it over and tack it again, and then I'll probably clean it and then try to finish the welds. Go ahead and do this side the same way. Now what I'm going to talk about here, I've got the wrench welded to the rod here. My gear wrench set came with a little adapter, and this adapter allows you to use this 13mm as a ratchet. It's pretty low profile, until you put the socket on it, so it takes up quite a bit of space. So what I'm working on is an alternative. So what I did is I took a 13mm bolt, I put on a 13mm nut, I'm going to weld it to a washer, and I cut a spare socket off, and I'm going to weld that together. So what the result of this will be is that I should have a ratchet that has this much instead of this. So anyway, let's get on the welding table, clean these parts up, and weld them together. Okay, so first step here is to weld this washer onto this nut and washer assembly. And I shouldn't need a whole lot of filler wire. I'm going to try to use what's there. And I have it set on about 70 amps. Nice and hot. I contaminated my tungsten, but that's why I have a grinder. Are you just more of an action, like real life? You like to capture the realistic moment, the real life moments?
Yeah.
The ups and the downs.
Yeah,
the
but
fails.
And then the victories.
The victories.
Huh? Mostly the victories.
Wow, Lev, if you shoot all my videos, we're gonna be famous.
Yeah, basically. Man, that got like 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit per second.
All right.
Higher, like basically. Man, that looks like it burned.
This thing got messed up.
Yeah, like nail versus very hard fire. That's like a nail. No, it's like the hammer that gets into a burning hot fire that can burn metal.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, start the flames.
Okay, don't look directly.
Yikes. I think it's gonna do another explosion. Yes, it did. Perfect. Hold on. Perfect. It's hot.
She's hot.
She's hot.
Captain, she's hot.
Yeah. We're doing a small video.
Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Man, that was great. JFUF, that's really bright.
Huh?
JFUF means just for your information. Know that. And then you can be like, oh yeah, JFUF, we're not getting your present whenever you say it to someone.
Okay, ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and the sparks begin. Whoa. You always caught me off guard. Oh, I think it's gonna be. Yikes. Yikes. Oh.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Always been. Always will. Okay, we are just about done with our project. We're almost done. We just gotta fix the little mistakes that we did. And the little mistakes are kind of big. So it's gonna be a little while, but still. Bravo! Hilarious.
Why is it hilarious?
Sparks flying everywhere.